Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the auto upload in CapCut Mobile. So the auto upload will allow you to automatically upload your projects into the CapCut space. So what you need to do to enable that is you can go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top right corner, this one, and in here this is the auto upload. So click on the auto upload, and here just click on the circle to enable the auto upload project. So here you can choose where the projects will be uploaded to if you have more than one space like I do. Here you can also choose what data will you use, Wi-Fi or cellular or both of them, and also the size limit. So if your project is over, for example, 100 megabyte, it will not be uploaded to the space. You can just go back because it's done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.